Today we're going to be looking at the measures of centre, and we're going to start with finding the mode. The mode, as we remember, is the value that occurs most often in our data set, usually used for nominal data. The mode measure of centre, the most frequently occurring value, and it's not affected by extreme values. There may be no mode or several modes, and it's typically used for nominal data. So let's go into our example, and the first one we've got is the time in minutes to do tutorial 1. So looking at our data set, have we got no modes, have we got one mode, or have we got more than one mode? There's no value that occurs more than once in our first little data set. So in example 1, the time in minutes to do tutorial 1, there is no mode. Moving on to our example 2, the fastest time in minutes to do tutorial 1. Having a look along this data set, we can see that the value 4.9 occurs once, occurs a second time, and a third time. So the 4.9 occurs 3 times, making it the mode for example 2. So there's one mode in example 2, and its value is 4.9. Moving on to example 3, which is our time spent in minutes in tutorial 1. Let's have a look at this data set. We can see that the value 28 occurs 2 times, but also the value 43 occurs 2 times. So in this case, we have 2 modes. We have a mode of 28 and also a mode of 43. So there are 2 modes in this data set, the time spent in minutes in tutorial 1. And that's the end of our example on finding the mode.